If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this plain bottle of wine into this lovely glittered and rhinestone embellished bottle, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today I am going to be embellishing this bottle of wine. It is called Sweet, B-I-T-C-H, and it's a Moscato Rose. And I bought this from the state liquor store. I don't have a pink, light pink glitter. This was the lightest that I had, so I'm going to go ahead and use this to go ahead and cover up this. I'm going to apply it with Mod Podge glue, as I usually do. And I did a video where I covered up some confetti glitter on a wine bottle, which was a gift for someone for a housewarming gift, with some liquid glass, which is a medium pouring, and it has a resin finish, and it's by Art. I bought this off Amazon for about 18 bucks. Tried to go back and get more because I liked it and they were out of it. So I bought some from blick.com and I bought 3 bottles. I'll show you those later on, hopefully if I don't forget. But yeah, so I bought more because I really like it, but you can get it from blick.com or just Google it. And you'll be able to find it that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, you guys. So you will also need a little makeup brush to dust off your excess glitter. You'll need some type of brush to apply the liquid glass once the 2 coats are dry. This will be my first time trying the liquid glass on fine glitter, so I'm excited about that. I've already wiped this bottle off with alcohol, and I've already poured out some. I have already poured out some Mod Podge into this little lid, and I have the sponge brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I don't do any masking. Oh, and this wine was. So just start off by evenly placing your glue on the bottle. I like to go around the label as nice and straight as possible. I don't mask off the label or anything, I just don't want to. So I just try to keep a steady hand and just apply the glue. You can go in sections or you can apply as much as you like to. Just don't take too long because the glue will start to dry out. Purple pink, and it's holographic, so it has like multiple colors in it. It's super pretty. Now this pink is much darker than the pink that's on here, but I think it's really cute because it does match the chrome, the pink chrome color of the wording, so it still goes together. So it's really pretty. Already I like it. I love pink. I think this is sticking to this because they had like a little bright orange sale or price tag on here, and I kind of scraped it off, and maybe there's some glue left from the tag. So that's kind of sticking there. I may even just cover this up. This isn't really necessary. I could just cover the whole thing up, and I think I might do that. You guys can keep the label if you want. I know some people make their own customized labels. That's just, I'm not into that, but that's fine. And I think with this, I'm just gonna go ahead and cover that up.
This glitter is absolutely lovely, and it has like a very, very full coverage. If you want, you can always just do one coat if you feel necessary, but with the fine glitter, I do add 2 coats.
First layer of glitter has dried, and I'm just going to go ahead and put more glue on top of this glitter. If you never used Mod Podge before, don't worry, it's white, but it does dry clear. So just go ahead and watch me apply the second coat of glitter and glue to this bottle. Of glitter are now dry, and what I'm going to do is pour some of the liquid glass. I'm going to pour some liquid glass into this lid here. That should be enough. That's how much I have there. I have this brush, just a simple brush from Dollar Tree. You can use whatever you like. So I'm just kind of gonna start at the bottom here. And again, this is my first time sealing fine glitter. I sealed confetti glitter, but I didn't use it on fine glitter. So I'm very excited and anxious to see how this turns out. See that shine? I'm excited about that shine. Mod Podge doesn't give me that shine, and I have been wanting this shine. Just go ahead and watch me add the liquid glass.
I'm just adding the last bit of this liquid glass nice and evenly to this bottle. And once I'm finished with this, I'll let this dry for at least 4 to 5 hours, or maybe even 24 hours. It depends. While waiting for that liquid glass to dry, I'm going to add a few silver rhinestones to the top area of this bottle. I am using Liquid Fusion glue. Here is the final finished result of this wine bottle. I think this came out absolutely beautiful. I happen to be a lover of pink, so this color on this bottle is just so pretty. It especially looks good with the labeling and how the outline of the label is with that metallic pink color, so it just worked out great. I also like the silver rhinestones on the silver area of this bottle. This will make such a lovely birthday gift, or an anniversary gift, or a bridal shower gift, wedding gift. This will make a gift for so many different occasions. The liquid glass, in my opinion, gives it a very nice shine. Mod Podge works well also, but I feel like the liquid glass has a better clarity in the shine that it gives once it dries. That's just my opinion. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Share this video on Facebook if possible. And subscribe to this channel if you'd like to. If not, I greatly appreciate you for stopping by. Bye-bye. Also, be sure to check out my playlist filled with tons of wine glasses, wine bottles, liquor bottles that I've added rhinestones or glitter to. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.